Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on DOOGEE T10E. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and click on search bar. Now type in turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow. Now you can click consent and click on this button to start your VPN, then click OK. And you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.